St. Maarten was one of our port stops on our transatlantic cruise. We walked right off the ship and took a short water taxi ride over to Phillipsburg to spend a few hours by the beach.
Well, here we are at the port, cruise port at St. Maarten, and this is Emily's first visit to St. Maarten.
Yes, it is. Okay, what are we doing?
We're going to take a water taxi to the Phillipsburg, main town, and take a quick look around. We have a couple hours until our ATV tour starts.
Phillipsburg was the perfect place to slow down. We rented loungers, went for a swim, and just enjoyed being in the water with nowhere else we needed to be. After a couple of relaxing hours, we were ready to do something a little more adventurous, so we signed up for a 3-hour ATV tour to see more of the island. The ATV tour was a great way to cover a lot of St. Maarten in a short amount of time. We rode through different parts of the island and got to see how much variety there really is here. On this island. The highlight of the day was definitely Maho Beach. Watching planes land just feet above the beach never gets old. It's loud and thrilling. Small table. There's a small table. What do we have here?
So this is the menu from the Sunset Bar, right next to Maho Beach, which is where the airliners fly right over the beach. So we have starters. We're gonna get the coconut shrimp.
No, but we put what we want.
Look at the pizza menu. Delta Airlines.
What does it have?
Shredded mozzarella and tomato. This Maho Beach,
St. Maarten turned out to be one of those port days that had the perfect balance. Slow beach time, a little adventure, and something unforgettable to end the day.
Look at this on Maho Beach, St. Maarten.